from BTech first year Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch. Today we have come up with a project named Artificial Intelligence based Automated Open Heart Surgery. Before we move to our project, let us have a talk on the open heart surgery. What actually the open heart surgery is? The person whose heart is damaged is taken to the operation theatre. The doctors replaces natural heart with artificial heart. They remove natural hearts from the human body and simultaneously connects the artificial heart walls to the human body in the time period of 9 seconds. In operation theatre, we get 6 rechargeable batteries and inverters. The AC supply is first given to the rectifier which converts AC to DC. Now the DC is given to the rechargeable batteries. This DC supply is given to the inverter which converts AC to DC and DC to AC. And final AC supply is given to the artificial heart. This makes the artificial heart to pump the blood. Now the doctor says the condition of the heart. Condition 1. If the person's heart is minorly damaged which can be cured. In this condition, doctors replaces artificial valves to the natural heart and they replaces the natural heart to the human body. These artificial valves are made of cow dung, plastic and metals. Considering the age group of the patient, natural valves which are made of cow dung are preferred to the old age people and the natural artificial valves which are made of plastic and metal are preferred to the normal people. Condition 2. If the person's heart is completely damaged and which cannot be cured. In this condition, doctors completely replaces the artificial heart to the human body. Now the question arises. If the doctors cannot replace the artificial heart to the body in the time period of 9 seconds, the patient may die. To overcome this condition, we as an AI engineers, we developed AI-based microchip which itself replaces the natural heart with the artificial heart in the time period of 3 seconds.
I want to introduce the core block diagram. Here there are two batteries which are connected to the high frequency inverter. Let us consider the first inverter has 600 megahertz of AC signal and the second inverter has 300 megahertz of AC signal. Now there is a difference between in these two energy levels Q1 and Q2. So new magnetic force is developed and this magnetic force is responsible for the vibration of the iron material or steel material. This iron material or steel material is connected to the motor and the motor starts to rotate. The rotation of the motor is also controlled by the microchip. Now this motor is connected to the human heart through the sensor. Now the blood pumping action is enabled and this is a continuous process and this is the energy transmission between the inside and the outside bodies. The AI based microchip works under this program. Here this is the header file for the input and the output functions. NH is the natural heart, AH is the artificial heart, NV are natural valves, AV are the artificial valve. If heart damage is minimum, natural valves are removed, artificial valves are replaced. Else heart damage is maximum, natural heart is removed and the artificial heart is replaced. Hence the blood pumping action is enabled.
This is the kit explanation of our project. In operation theatre, we get 6 rechargeable battery and inverters. This is rechargeable battery, inverter, LCD, power supply. This is the microchip. From power supply, we get AC supply. First, this AC supply is given to rectifier which converts AC to DC. Then DC supply is given to the rechargeable battery. And finally, this DC supply is given to the inverter which converts AC to DC and DC to AC. Finally, this AC supply is given to the artificial heart. This makes artificial heart to pump the blood.
About project, we have concluded that an open heart surgery is very expensive. It takes place in the presence of 6 to 7 doctors. But as AI engineers, we have developed artificial electromagnetic heart which works under the presence of the AI based microchip. The cost of the surgery is very low and there is a less harm to the patient and the total surgery is controlled by the AI based microchip. Thank you.